Let's dive into a word that can change how you think. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is explanation. Can you say it out loud? Explanation. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-X-P-L-A-N-A-T-I-O-N. That spells E-X-P-L-A-N-A-T-I-O-N. Amazing job. Explanation means a statement that makes something clear. Let's break that down. It's how we help others understand something better. Here are some words that mean the same as explanation. Say it with me. Clarification. Definition. Description. Interpretation. Breakdown. Simplification. Illumination. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of explanation. Confusion. Vagueness. Ambiguity. Silence. Misdirection. Concealment. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what explanation is not. Here's a great example. Sofia gave a clear explanation of how the game works to her friends. Let's review. Explanation means a statement that makes something clear. Synonyms. Clarification. Definition. Description. Interpretation. Breakdown. Simplification. Illumination. Antonyms. Confusion. Vagueness. Ambiguity. Silence. Misdirection. Concealment. Using your words clearly helps everyone around you. When you give a strong explanation, you shine. Your challenge: write the word explanation once with your left hand, then again with your right. Can you do it? Words like explanation help your ideas come alive. You're building a powerful voice, one word at a time. You're doing incredible things. Another word is heading your way tomorrow. Don't miss it.